Good morning to all of you. How are you? I hope all of you are fit and fine. Today we are going to discuss the question answer of the chapter the Browning version. In our previous class, we have discussed one question and we have discussed the summary also of the chapter in short. And today we are going to discuss the important questions of this chapter. One question we have discussed, now we have to continue with our second question. What do you learn about Taplow from initial conversation between him and Mr. Frank? Who was Mr. Frank? Mr. Frank was the science teacher of Taplow. Okay, one thing more. Tell me, who is the writer of this excerpt, the Browning version? Anyone? Who is the writer or who is the narrator of this excerpt? Answer is Terence Rattigan. And one thing more, this excerpt was taken from the play, the Browning version only, and this is an excerpt. Terence Rattigan. Okay. Second question was, what do you learn about Taplow? What do you learn? What do you learn? What do you learn about? What do you learn about? What do you learn about Taplow? What do you learn about Taplow from the initial conversation? From the initial conversation between him and Mr. Frank. Yes, this is the question. Okay. What do you learn about Taplow from the initial conversation between him and Mr. Frank, who was his science teacher? And we have seen that Taplow was a boy of 16 years old and he is still waiting for his teacher, and the name of his teacher is Mr. Crocker Harris. He was waiting for his school teacher, Mr. Crocker Harris, because on the next day he was going to get the remove means the division of his result. So he was waiting in the school in order to meet his master, his teacher, Mr. Crocker Harris. And while he was waiting for his master, Mr. Frank had reached there and they had started doing the conversation about the Mr. Crocker Harris. Okay, note down. Taplow is a boy of 16 years. 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 He is still in lower fifth. He is still in lower fifth class. He is still in lower fifth. He can't specialize until the next term. He is still in lower fifth class, lower fifth. He can't specialize until the next term. If he gets his division or remove. In this example, we have seen the word remove and not we have seen the word division. So that's why remember both things, division or remove. He is still in lower fifth class and he can't specialize until the next term. If he gets his remove, all right. Until he gets his remove, all right. Since his master, Mr. Crocker Harris, Mr. Crocker Harris, has not told him the result, had not told him the result, he will have to wait till next day. He will have to wait for next day to learn his fate. Okay. Quickly note down the answer. Question was, what do you learn about Tableau. Who was Tableau? The question is, what do you learn about Tableau? Means, first of all, you have to tell who is the Tableau in this excerpt, in this play. And what I have discussed earlier class, that in the play 3 unities should be there. Unity of time, place and action. Okay. Quickly note down this answer or take a screenshot. Okay. Then question was, what do you learn about Tableau? Then first of all you have to explain about Tableau. That who is Tableau? Okay. First of all you have to tell who is Tableau. And then you have to tell what conversation. After that you have to tell what conversation was taken place between Tableau and Mr. Frank, who was his science teacher. Yes? Then write the answer like this. Tableau is a boy of 16-year-old. Tableau is a boy of 16 years. He is still in lower 5th. He is still in lower 5th. He can't specialize, means he can't take a particular subject until he will not get a good remove or he will not get a good division. Okay. He can't specialize until the next term if he gets his division or remove all right. Means to say that if his division is not good, then he will not get science from the next term. Okay. Since his master, Mr. Crocker Harris, he was waiting for whom? Was waiting for his master, Mr. Crocker Harris. Since his master, Mr. Crocker Harris, had not told him the result, he will have to wait for the next day in order to know the result. Okay. This is the answer. Okay. Note it down. Now I am going to rub this. Now next question. What is remove? Because this word is always used in this chapter. Remove. What is remove? How do students get it? Okay. Because this word is important, because if you don't know the meaning of this word, then you will interpret this word in a different sense, that marks had been reduced from the result of Tableau, or you can interpret anything. So this word should be clear. What this word remove mean? What is remove? What is remove? What is remove? How do students get it? How do students get it? What is remove? How do students get it? Okay, note down. Remove is the certificate of passing. 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 Remove is the certificate of passing of form in the school. In the school, as a rule, the form result the form results should only be announced the form result should be announced, should only, don't forget this one, only be announced as a rule. The form result should only be announced by the headmaster on the last day of the school. On the last day of the school. However, it seems that most teachers leak this information to their students leaks this information to their students before the scheduled date. Okay, note down. Note down. Question was, what is remove? What is remove? How do students get it? Means, what is remove? And in the previous class only, we have discussed that this word remove have two meaning. One remove is that when you cut a thing, when you bifurcate, when you remove, when you separate that thing from a bigger thing or from a part of that thing, that is known as remove. But in the British countries, this word remove means, remove is the certificate of passing. Remove is the certificate of passing a form in the school. This is given in the school. As a rule, the form results should only be announced. Should. It is this point to be noted that should is used. Should. As a result, as a rule, the form results should only be announced. Should only be announced by the headmaster. Should only be announced by the headmaster on the last day of the school. And it is a tradition and it is the rule that this remove should be announced on the last day. Should be announced on the last day of the school. However, it seems that most teachers leak this information. However, it is seen because by the conversation of Mr. Frank and Taplow, we have noticed that many students have got the information that whether they will get good marks, whether they will get good remove or not. That's why it is used. However, it seems that, I am not saying that it is sure, however, it seems that, presumption is that, however, it seems that most teachers leak this information to their students before the scheduled date. Scheduled date means before the last day of the school. Means the day on which they are going to get the result. Teachers, some teachers, it is presumed that they might tell the remove to their students so that they may become aware about their marks and they might get the information that whether they are going to get a specialized subject in the next term or not. Okay. That's why it is said that it seems that most of the teachers leak this information to their students before the scheduled date. Okay. This word is the most important word in this play because this word is used many times. That Taplow is waiting for the remove because he had not got the remove. Then student might get confused that what this word remove mean. But don't get confused here that this word remove means certificate of passing. Passing certificate. We can say that it is a passing certificate. Okay. Take a screenshot or note down on this.